Sin square x is what? Even function. So this becomes, according to this property, 2 times 0 to a. What is this a? Pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2 of the function, see, f of x. What is the function? See, sin square x with respect to x, because our function was even function. Okay, 0 to pi by 2 of sin square. So you understand it properly. So this is nothing but 2 times this, because our function is even function. If it turns out to be odd function, then answer would have been 0. Now our function is what? Even. Therefore 2 times this. Now we have to calculate this. See, in our previous just in this session we have worked out this 0 to pi by 2 of sin square x. Okay, we have worked out that problem. We'll get the same answer. So we have to follow the same steps. We have done this problem by using the property. See, integration of 0 to a, you think this is a, f of x is equal to integration of 0 to f of a minus x. Okay, that problem, same problem will repeat here. So now, so we shall do that. Continue this. So okay, let me write this as equation. Equation 1. So now consider this. So let us consider this one. What is that? See this I. Okay, see I1. First integral, because I already used I there. So that is sin square x dx. Let me call this. Okay, sin square x. Then see, it's 0 to pi by 2. Now by the property, so we have, see, 0 to pi by 2. See, we have to apply another property. So what is the property? So we apply this property, 0 to a, f of x dx can be written as 0 to a, f of upper limit minus x. So that is, see, sin square, okay, upper limit, that is pi by 2 minus x dx. Okay, so r this square, we have written it like this. So we can write like this. Then 0 to pi by 2. See, sine of 90 minus theta, that becomes what? Cos x, cos of the angle. That becomes the square root. So cos square x dx. So write this as I1. So we call this as equation 2. Now you add equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, let me call this as equation 2 and equation 3. Already I have this equation. So I add equation 2 and 3. So okay, I will write this here. 2 equation 2 plus equation 3 gives. Okay, I am adding equation 2 and 3. See, corresponding LHS, addition of corresponding RHS. So see, I have used this theorem here. So now what I will get, see, I1 plus I1, what I will get? 2I1. Okay, I will write it here only. See, 2 times I1, left hand side. See, observe the right hand side, 0 to pi by 2. This is common. So I will write that 0 to pi by 2. See, addition of corresponding RHS, sin square x plus cos square x. I am adding that. Okay, you can write it directly after practicing. Sin square x plus cos square x with respect to x. Now 0 to pi by 2. See, sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So integration of 1 is what? X with respect to 0 to pi by 2. This is 2i. So then upper limit is what? Pi by 2 minus 0, that will be pi by 2 only. So 2i is equal to pi by 2. So I is equal to 2 into 2, that will be what? See, pi by 4. See, that's what I told. So answer for this is pi by 4. You have to remember. So you don't write directly here. So because your marks will be deducted here. So you have to do all the steps. I is equal to what? Pi by 4. So instead of this, so I can substitute now this answer, pi by 4. Okay. So let me continue here. So equation 1 becomes, see, equation 1 becomes, what was our equation? See, this was our equation. So this is the given problem. So that is, see, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 of sin square x with respect to x is equal to, see, 2 was there, coefficient, 2 times, see, 2 into, see, 2 times this, okay, this. So this integral, so the answer for this is pi by 4. So that is, I will write this pi by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So my answer is what? Pi by 2. So answer for this is what? Pi by 2. See, refer this carefully. First go through the class, understand it. Afterwards you can write the solution. So answer is pi by 2. So it is a so you see in this we have applied two properties. One is this property, see 2 times 0 to pi by 2 of sine square x. Okay, 2 times 0 to pi by 2 of sine square x. Then afterwards you consider this 0 to pi by 2 of sine square x. Then you apply another property, that is this property. Then you follow the procedure and you get the answer as pi by 4. You substitute that answer here, 2 times this integral, that is 2 times pi by 4. So my answer is pi by 2. Okay, final answer is pi by 2. So note down the solution, you have 10 seconds. So then let us go for another question carrying 6 marks. Let me call this as a, see, example 5 in this session. See, fifth example. So let me write the property. So we have proved the property already. So okay, once again you prove this 0 to a. So this is very very important property, f of x dx, 0 to a, f of a minus x dx, and hence evaluate. So to the example, okay, and hence evaluate integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x, log of 1 plus tan x into dx. So observe this carefully. Once again it carries 6 marks. So once it has been asked in the examination, see, all these are very very important examples. See, this property is already proved, so we can prove the property very easily by substitution method. So I will consider this problem. Okay, you apply this property. Okay, let me take this. So let us call this, see, observe the steps. Let us call this as I. Okay, log of what is given, 1 plus tan x. So let me call this as equation 1. See, I will apply this property now. So that is 0 to pi by 4. Observe this, 0 to pi by 4. See, what is the see, now I will apply, see, upper limit minus x. So log of, see, log of 1, I will get 1 plus tan x. So instead of x, see, tan of, so x means a minus x. What is a? A is pi by 4. See, a minus x into dx. So that I have applied here. So a minus x. See, a means what? This is pi by 4. 0 to a, that is 0 to pi by 4. Now see, tan of pi by 4 minus x. See, don't write anything here. First observe what I am saying. See, log of, so that can be written as 1. I will write this 1 as it is. See, plus, see, tan of pi by 4 minus x. See, in first PUC we have the formula tan of pi by 4 minus. What is that? So I will show it here. Don't write there. See, tan of pi by 4 minus x. See, this is tan of, you see, this has first angle, this has second angle. See, tan of x minus y. What is the formula for tan of x minus y? Means formula is tan x minus tan y. See, tan x, x means what? See, tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus, see, tan x means pi by 4 into tan y means tan x. Now see, tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4 means tan 45, that is 1. So 1, tan 45 is 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus, see, tan pi by 4 is 1 into tan x, that is tan x only. So tan of pi by 4 minus x, see, tan of pi by 4 minus x can be written as 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So instead of this, I will get 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. Okay, can write it directly. So just for your reference, I have written this. Tan of pi by 4 minus x means tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y, I will get 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Directly you can write this as 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x, this one. Tan of this pi by 4 minus x. So in this way we can note down these little things, okay, understand it correctly. Tan of pi by 4 minus x. Then let us continue this. See this, write it as 1. See 0 to pi by 4, observe this, log of. So taking the LCM, see 1 plus tan x is the LCM, okay, 1 plus tan x is the LCM. See what is the numerator? So multiply every term by numerator and afterwards write the, see 1 into 1 plus, okay, what is the numerator there? See denominator is no problem, 1 plus tan x, okay, numerator, multiply every term by LCM. So first term is what, 1 plus tan x plus, see plus, then 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x means the denominator is same, so numerator is, we'll get 1 minus tan x. See this plus tan x minus, we'll get 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 2 by 1 plus tan x. So after simplification we'll get that. So okay, I will write this step here. 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x with respect to x. Then afterwards, okay, we will continue here. So 0 to pi by 4 log of. So that minus tan x will get cancelled, 1 plus 1, that is 2. See 2 by, in the denominator I have 1 plus tan x. So observe this, see log of, okay, see log of this. So I will use the property, see log property. What is the log property? Log of, see m by n. So log of, see m by n. So numerator is 2, denominator is 1 plus tan x. So log of m by n is what? Log m minus log n. So difference. So how can I write that? Say 0 to pi by 4. So log m, that is log 2. Log m minus log n. So that is log of 1 plus tan x dx. See this log m minus log n. So the property, I applied the log property. So log m minus log n. Okay, see this log m minus log n. Now, so integration of difference of two terms is, separately you can integrate the term. See integration of, what is the first term? Integration of 0 to pi by 4 log 2. See integration of log 2 with respect to x minus integration of log of 1 plus tan x with respect to x. So this, on the left hand side I have I. See on the left hand side we have I. Okay, I is equal to this. So let me call this as equation 2. Okay, equation 2. Now observe the given integral and observe the equation 2. So adding this equation 1 and 2, so 1 plus 2 gives, say corresponding LHS, I plus I, that will be what? 2I. Then, so, okay, I will write this, let me write another step, okay. See this, upon this, on the left hand side I will get I. So see this, I will write this 0 to pi by 4 of, okay, don't add here, see minus, I'll write this. See observe this integral, see second integral, integration of 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x. See integration of 0 to pi by 4 of log of 1 plus tan x, this is the given integral I. So substitute, see I, this is the given integral I. Okay, on the right hand side, see observe this, on the right hand side, this is nothing but given integral. Then, okay, you shift minus I to the left hand side. See I, then this minus I comes to left hand side, I plus I, that will be what? 2I. Okay, 2I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2, okay, log 2 dx. Okay, 0 to pi. Then this log 2 is what? Constant. So you can take outside the integral. Okay, we will continue here. Okay, see let me write this, okay, log 2 into integration of 0 to pi by 4, say 2I, see log 2 I taken outside, integration of 1 with respect to x. So now, so we will continue from here. So 2i is equal to, see log 2, it is outside, into, see integration of 1 with respect to x is what, x from 0 to, see pi by 4. Now log 2, I will write it as it is. See upper limit is what, pi by 4 minus, see lower limit is 0. So this is 2i. So log 2 into, see pi by 4 minus 0 is what, pi by 4. Okay, I want this I. Okay, this is 2i. So I want to solve for what, I. So integral is equal to, see log 2 remains as it is, see log 2 into, this pi remains as it is, observe this last step, divided by, cross multiply this, 2 into 4, that is 8. So what is the answer? Log 2 into pi by 8. Okay, log 2 into pi by 8. Pi by 8 log 2. So see, the question asked was 0, evaluate 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x. Answer is pi by 8 log 2, or log 2 into pi by 8. See how we have deduced this. We have considered the first integral as I. Then you apply the this property a minus x. Then tan of x minus y. Apply the formula. Then you reduce this to log 2 minus log. See log m minus log n. Then integration of these two terms separately. Then this is nothing but given integral I. Then you shift this side to the left hand side. I plus I, that becomes 2i. Take log 2 outside. Integration of 1 is what, x. Then upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit is pi by 4. Then 2 into 4, 8. This log 2 is constant. Okay. So this is our fifth example. Okay. This also carries, say, 6 marks. So these are all the problems related to the properties. Along the proof of the property, we have to work out one problem. Okay. So in this session, we have worked out 5 examples. So let us consider some more examples in the next session.